So today we're talking about adding and subtracting polynomials. Oops, I can't even spell polynomials. Adding and subtracting polynomials. And so there is an activity that goes with it, 4.5, adding and subtracting polynomials. And so we're just going to look at one. And if you will recall from the last lesson, I want you to classify the first term in this expression. That is a fifth degree trinomial. Both of them are. Fifth degree trinomial. All right, that's just a little review. So, because there's a plus sign between these, and inside the parentheses on both pieces, there's only adding and subtracting going on, no multiplication, no division, none of that, and there's no negative between. This is a plus sign. That makes the parentheses meaningless. We are basically adding the first to the second, and it becomes a matter of combining like terms because of the plus sign in the middle. So we have two constants. We have an n to the fifth and an n to the fifth, and we have an n with an n. We're just going to combine those. So the 13 plus the 2 becomes 15. Negative 2n to the fifth and negative 12 is negative 14n to the fifth. 11n and 4n is 15n. When you have addition there, it's very simple. Now, officially, that needs to be written from largest to smallest to be in correct form or standard form or simplest form. So correct answer is B, and that was number 1. Now, when you switch that operation in the middle to subtraction, it's a little different. So we have, let's look at number 10. Negative 14 plus k squared minus 12k cubed minus this quantity. So it's really kind of like a distributive. It's hard to see that it's a distributive because we're not multiplying, we're actually subtracting. So I'm going to draw some lines as I do this. So I'm going to rewrite the first piece because we're not doing anything with that. So we're going to say minus negative 10k. Minus negative means plus positive, 10k squared. We're going to say minus a 4. And we have the last final piece, minus 9k to the fourth. And now all we have to do is combine like terms. Well, I have a negative 14 and a negative 4. It gives me negative 18. I have two of these with a k squared, a 1 and a 10. It's an 11. There's only the 1k cubed and only the 1k to the fourth. So they're just going to come on down. You need to rewrite these in the proper order. Start with your largest exponent. And there's your final answer on that one. That's A. So number 10 is A. Okay? So these aren't that difficult. It's more a matter of combining like terms. I have no doubt that you can do these. So if you want to Google or play math games, combining like terms is what you're doing here. You could also search for adding and subtracting polynomials. Okay? Alrighty, good luck.